Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Daily Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me, Asya. And today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. With beautiful haircut. Very attractive ideas of a dye. And many much more beautiful collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance, mostly ideas in low maintenance, messy and spiky hairstyle. Different collection of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Very beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And latest ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and many much more stylish and latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others, and please support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.